He's not scared. What you doing, man? You find it. Look, coming right up to me. Can you believe this? I had to stop. It's not even scared. It's a small one, isn't it?
Yes.
That's like a baby.
Yes, and they've been having fun in my backyard.
I guess so.
Oh, goodness.
I wonder if that's what's been in my yard, because I found a big hole.
They dig big holes for sure.
It was huge, and I was like, where's the end of it? It just like it kept going. I don't know.
I know it.
That is so crazy. I mean, what is he doing? Now he's scared. When I stood up, I'm too tall. He's like, I'm out of here.